Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Wonder How. In this part 2, we're adding cloth ragdoll physics to our 2D stickman character. It's going to add some cool realistic motion to your game. Let's jump in. Start by drawing your cloth in Photoshop, like a blindfold or cape, and put it on a new layer. Save the file and re-import it into Unity just like before. Unity will detect the new layer automatically. In the Sprites editor, go to the Skinning tab and create a rig for the cloth. Add a few bones from top to bottom to allow flexible movement. This will let it bend and react to motion later. Next, attach the cloth to the character. You can do this by parenting the top bone or cloth object to the upper backbone. Also, update the pivot point for easier alignment and movement. Now, it's time to set up the ragdoll. Add a Rigidbody2D and a Capsule Collider 2D to each cloth segment or bone object. Then, connect them using Hinge Joint 2D components so they can swing freely. To make the cloth fall naturally, tweak the gravity scale in the Rigidbody2D. Try values like 0.5 or 0.7 to get smooth movement, without being too heavy or too floaty. For parts of the cloth that shouldn't move, like the top section near the neck, set the Rigidbody2D to kinematic. This will stop them from reacting to physics and keep the cloth anchored. Go into the hinge joint settings and disable Auto Configure Connected Anchor. This gives you more control to manually fine-tune how the cloth pieces are connected for better swing physics. Now open Animator and move the character slightly with an animation. You'll see the cloth react naturally, thanks to the Ragdoll physics. It adds a dynamic and polished look to your game. And that's how you add a 2D cloth Ragdoll to your character in Unity. In the next part, we'll bring this scene closer to battle ready. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned with Mr. Wonder How.